Hey everyone, this is Md Rakib. Welcome back to another video. This is Acer Swift 3 Ryzen laptop. We bought it in Too Good website. The e-car has delivered just a couple of minutes ago. Let's see the unboxing video. Let's open it up. Cut it properly. This is unboxed laptop like new with quad-core processor, AMD Ryzen 5 quad-core processor. Okay, it's pretty big there. It has 8GB DDR4 RAM and 64-bit Windows 10 operating system inbuilt in there. 15.6-inch display. Oh, it's pretty good. This is a charger. And what is it? Adapter. Okay. The color is still gray. The battery is 4-cell battery with 45-watt AC adapter, which will give the backup up to 8 hours. It has 12 months of guarantee. Actually, rate in Flipkart is showing this most probably is 45,000, and main rate in actually in the Too Good website that is 40,000, around 40,000. But we got it in Women's Day offer. It's 35,000. We got the opportunity. Okay, let's make it on. Show it how it looks like. Looking good. Oh yeah, it's pretty awesome. Hey guys, you can see here it has Corning Gorilla Glass. Or is it ultra fast wireless? The RAM type is DDR4 with hard disk capacity maximum. I mean, inbuilt hard disk is 1 TB. The 2500 EU processor variant. The frequency of clock speed is 2.2 GHz with turbo boost up to 3.6 GHz. It's booting up. Actually, the power was down. We have connected to you in the electric. AMD Radeon Vega B graphic processor. It has 64-bit architecture. Okay. Most interesting about this laptop is okay, I won't tell it. You just see it in your own eye.
Is that right?
Just do it. It's durable, approx 180 degree. Yeah, guys, this is pretty awesome thing. You can play PUBG on it. However, guys, it's worth money. You can buy it from Too Good, as the offer is going on. Thank you for watching my video.